Hello everyone, my name is Deepali Bhosle and the topic is linked list in a Java. Let's see the let's see in details what is linked list in a Java. The Java linked list classes uses doubly linked list and the singly linked list to store the elements. It provides a linked list data structure to inherit the abstract list class and implements the list and the DQ interface. The important points of the Java linked list is the Java linked list class can contain the duplicate elements. Java linked list class maintain the insertion sort also. The Java linked list class is the not non-synchronized. In Java linked list class, manipulation is fast because no shifting needs to be occurs. The linked list class can contain the duplicate elements also. The linked list class can maintain the insertion order that the Java linked list class is not non-synchronized. That's why we are using the linked list in an Java class. Let's see the hierarchy of an linked list. That is, its linked list class is used to extend the abstract sequential list and the DQ, and it implements the DQ list. The abstract sequential list it implements an list, and the DQ class is also extend the queue, and the list and queues are extends to the class of an collection, and it extends to the iterable class. This is an hierarchy of an linked list where we can iterate and implements the linked list to the abstractly sequential list, DQ list queue, and the collections and the iterable class. Let's see what is the doubly linked list. Double linked list is in double linked list we can add and remove the elements from both the sides. That is, we can add or remove the elements from first linked list or the last linked list. Using this double linked list we can add or remove the elements from both the sides. Let's see what are the constructors used in an linked list. That is, the first constructor is an linked list and it's used to construct an empty list. Then second linked list is an linked list, that is collection extend. It is used to construct an list containing the elements of an specified collections, and in the order of that they can return by using the collection iterators. Let's see the what are the methods used in an linked list. The first method is the boolean add. That is, using this method we can use to append the specified element to the end of the list. Then second method is the void int, that is int of index and e of elements. It is used to insert the specified element at the specified position index in an list. Then third method is then boolean add all methods in bracket the collection of extent e to c. That is, it is used to append all the elements in a specified collection to the end of this list in order that they can return by using the collections iterator. Then fourth method is an boolean add all collection extents. It is used to append all the elements in a specified collection to the end of this list in order that we can return as a specified collections iterator. Next method is an boolean add int of index and collection methods. It is used to append all the elements in a specified index specified collection to the at the end of this list in order to that we can return as a specified collection iterator. The getFirst method is used to return the first elements in an list, and the getLast method is used to return the element in an last. The e of get is int of index method. It is used to return the elements at the specified position to the linked list, and the elements e of elements it is used to retrieve the first elements of an string, first elements of an list. That is, the next method is an int last index of object. That is, it is used to return the index of list occurrence of an specified elements or the -0 to the list and int of index box, that is object of O. It is used to return the index of first list of the first occurrence of an specified elements, or the -1 if here the list does not contain any elements. This is all about the linked list in a Java. Thank you.